what's up, everybody? It's Tomater from CPT here, and I've got a truck, and I'm gonna do Tomater truck tutorial. Yeah, and so by the looks of it, it just is a nice car. It's got nice seating too. Like here, if I go into first person, like look at that, it's nice. But the main thing we're gonna be testing it on is speed and durability, like grip on the ground. So first, so with the max speed is 90, 97, 90, 100, 140. Then without boost, let's just get into a more open road. Without boost, so 150 on the 60 without boost. How? 124? This is a fast car. A fast truck, and it's only 150 wow, I'm surprised. Now second, let's test like turning. We're just gonna get to a very turny road and do that around here. Like the first thing I'm noticing is like this slick. Without like spinning out. Like, you see what I mean? It's not spinning out. Like if I pull out my, let's see, my McLaren Ultra, this turn would be like horrible. It's like, it's got such good grip on the ground instead of this, yeah. So this truck is actually a win in my books because it's nice and it's got good speed. But later on, I'm going to be testing better trucks, and hopefully I might be able to maybe test better and better and better and better and better trucks along the way, and maybe going into other games trying to find better trucks. Okay, well, that's going to be a wrap for the video. Thanks for watching.